It's 9th of May and I'm standing in Vikaspuri close to police lines, and somebody has again put a fire on the garbage. If you can see the smoke that is coming out of it and the area that is covered by this fire, and I can see some people have come forward and started to put it off by throwing water. We're going to see if we can talk to them and see who has done it. But this is a very common thing happening here regularly, and the authorities are not doing much, and I have no idea why is that happening, and this happens very regularly here. Let me see if I can go that side and if I can talk to them, and I'll let you know who's done it. See, there is another fire in the same area where I was just a minute back. Let's see, police lines again there. Somebody has put it here too. So this is how it's all garbage. It's all garbage, plastic, paper and everything, and this is how they get rid of it. And look at the smoke that is coming out of it. And what are they trying to burn? It's all plastic, and eventually everything will be turned to ashes with just a matchstick. Now see, somebody has burnt a bed actually. See, that's a bed that was put on fire, and from there the fire took off. It is the mattress. See, if you can see the end, that's the mattress somebody is trying to get rid of. So this is from this side. By the time I came this side, the person is already gone, and so you can see the things that are burning, and this fire will not stop at least for another 4-5 hours. And look at the smoke that is coming out of it. We found the guy who was bringing the water. His name is Srinath, and this poor fellow is bringing the water in buckets to get this thing off, but I don't know for how long he can do it, because he's putting it off here and somebody has put it on the other side. आपको भैया मालूम किसने लगाई? नहीं भैया. कब की लगी कुछ पता नहीं. स्कूल से बच्चे लेकर जब से लगी आगे तो. हैं? स्कूल से बच्चे लेकर आने 1 बजे. अच्छा. जब से लगी. तो स्कूल के बच्चे भी लगाए जाते हैं? नहीं, स्कूल के बच्चे लेकर आ रहे थे. अच्छा, तो आप स्कूल के बच्चे लेके आ रहे थे. ठीक है, ठीक है. जब से आग लगी. तो मैं भी 1-1:30-2 बजे की बात है, 1 बजे की. 1 बजे आते बच्चे लेके. 1 बजे आ गए थे. So this thing is on since 2 o'clock, and I don't think so this will help a lot, but still he's trying to do whatever he can, and we'll also do whatever I can with him, and then let's see if we can get it off. But it looks very difficult, but if it does also, still it won't solve the problem, because it will keep on continuing. We have to take a bigger step on a larger scale.